All right. We found one more thing we can do with Sentimental Journey on the bridge, uh, where it's going like this. 7, 2 measures of C. That's the time we leave at 7, 2 measures of G. I'll be waiting up for... Now, you know, we can slide that G and make it fancy that way. We could even do a C chord where we're doing the full chord like this and slide it. A 7, that's the time we leave at 7. I'll be waiting up for... There's an option. And the other option we were looking at is doing an interval. For example, the C chord is here, and then going to this little C chord here. It's in the 7th fret. Most of it is in the 7th fret. It looks like a G form is what it looks like. And so the index and the middle are in the 7th fret. Like making a G, starting right here. That's a C. Isn't this crazy, Megan? That's a C. And you can slide it. Look at that. So we can do 7. That's the time we leave at. You can do a whole lot of stuff with that. Or you can just swing up and back. 7. That's the time we leave at 7. Now where are we going to swing with that G? Well, let's do our little G form, where the index finger is on the 5th fret and our other 2 fingers are on the 7th fret, like so. And in both these intervals, the G string is open, it's ringing. So we're just going to do the same idea that we were doing with the C chord. Let me go back. 7, that's the time we leave at 7. That da-da-da-da on heaven. Let's try that one more time. 2, 3, 4, 7. That's the time we leave at 7. I'll be waiting up for heaven. Like so. It's very fun. And boy, you can throw that into a lot of songs. And it helps us get to know our different forms up the fretboard that are grabbable. You know, if it's too hard to grab and you're singing, you have to ask yourself, do I want to invest the weeks and weeks of woodshedding to get this? Or do I want to skip it? It's your decision, darlings.